you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the Target Beauty Box for December. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my December Target box, my December Target box just arrived. And yeah, I do have to say the box is so pretty, and I love this teal, like seafoam tealish color green. So I already love the box. Look at that. I'm so glad that it's not really like a winter or a Christmas theme, because I'm definitely going to use this box for crafting or storage, or I don't know, but that is just really pretty. I like that. So let's get inside. Okay, so they do give you a card, and it gives you a $3 off coupon. You're $15 or more on beauty, cosmetics, skincare, hair care. So I do like to use that, because then if you use the $3, then it basically makes the $7 box only $4 and free shipping. So this time we do have a purple tissue paper, and that's what it looks like inside. So the first thing right on top is going to be a shampoo and a conditioner. And I love when they give you one of each instead of just one and not the other. And these are a good size to try out. Plus these are 3.4 fluid ounces. So these are good for travel and that kind of thing. And this is biotin and collagen, thickening and strengthening shampoo and conditioner. So I do appreciate that we got these. Then we got Mixed Chicks Coil, Kink, and Curl Styling Cream. Conditions, retains moisture, promotes growth, and adds definition for wash and go finger styling, 2-strand twist coils and spirals. So this right here, I'll probably go ahead and give it to our niece that has some curly hair, because this will probably definitely help with her hair. And yeah, and that's a good size right there. Then we have, and I have one of these and I haven't opened it yet. So this will go ahead and go into, this will go into a giveaway for one of you guys. And this is a Lumini, I'm not sure if that's how you say it, but this is the Glow Reveal Moisturizer. And I'll go ahead and set this one aside. And it just says apply to face and neck after cleansing. So it's like a little night cream. And I haven't opened mine yet because I have so many open products. But I'll go ahead and put this in a future giveaway so somebody else can try that. Then we have is a Good Chemistry perfume sample. I don't think I've heard of that brand. I like the ones that have the little spray bottle, not just the little, you know. It smells okay. I kind of am picking up like a little bit of like rose. It says magnolia, peony, and amber. I mean, it smells okay. It's just I really wish it was a spray bottle, but no problem. So we have that guy. Then we have a Beauteque Deep Cleansing Charcoal Pore Strip. So you have one nose strip. And then you have this sample, which is Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Coconut Oil 2-Step Hair Mask. Ooh, I love me some hair masks, so I can't wait to try this. And it's a two-step. A two-step Restore Shine, Deep Conditioning, and Seals Cuticles. So I can't wait to try that out. So for $7 and free shipping, we have a hair mask, we have a perfume sample, we have a nose strip, we have like a face cream, face mask. We have a hair product, and we have a shampoo and a conditioner. That's awesome. So comment, oh, don't forget, we get the $3 coupon as well. So comment down below, let me know, did you purchase this? Did you think this was a good box? Let me know. Your positive interaction, it means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.